Hi everyone, welcome back to our Cloud Development Environment 101 series. In the last video, we outlined the considerations one must take when choosing a CDE. In this video, we'll take a deeper look at Coder specifically and cover some of the aspects that we feel make Coder Premium a great CDE for enterprise users. First and foremost, Coder is 100% open source. Even our premium features are released under an open source license. This means that security-conscious customers can do a full code review for any component of the Coder CDE. All of our development takes place in the open as well at github.com/coder, so users can open issues directly and track the progress of the product. Coder is also 100% self-hosted and self-maintained software. It is not SaaS. It runs on your infrastructure and the data is saved on your preferred storage systems. Wherever that is, a large cloud provider or a private data center, you can even run Coder in a completely air-gapped environment if you choose. You are in total control of the runtimes and where your intellectual property and source code are stored. It eliminates the worry of a missing device containing sensitive info or source code that is not backed up. Additionally, browser-only workspaces are an option. These provide a zero-config IDE for your users, but have the add-on effect of severely reducing code exfiltration vectors. Since Coder is self-maintained, you control when maintenance and updates are performed. You don't need to worry about a provider-scheduled maintenance window interfering with your geographically dispersed development teams. You can stage and test system updates before they are applied to production. Best of all, you don't need to make any accommodations for vendor access. Coder, the company, believes in letting developers choose what tooling to use, and admins choose where they want to run their CDEs. Coder, the product, makes use of the tools your developers already love to use. Workspaces can run any IDE, libraries, compilers, and utilities that are supported by the Workspace OS. And the Workspace OS can be Linux, Windows, even Mac OS. Your admins will love that it integrates with your existing compute, storage, OIDC, Git, and enterprise monitoring systems. Coder Premium is a truly enterprise-ready, globally scalable CDE. Workspace proxies and RBAC allow you to logically arrange your CDE's resources while simplifying the developer experience. You can define users, groups, and templates in a central control plane, while workspaces are provisioned in region with your developers wherever they are, giving developers on a different continent the same low latency experience as a developer in your HQ. Auditing and monitoring make it easy to track template and workspace usage, while workspace quotas and auto start-stop prevent idle workspaces from consuming resources. Coder Premium provides the ultimate in flexibility, power, and economy. You determine the tooling and resources each group gets. Workspaces run on your platform. If your AI/ML dev team needs GPUs, assign them, and only them, to your GPU-enabled nodes. Coder's cost controls plus reliance on your existing platform's auto-scaling capabilities allow for minimal resources in off hours while providing as much power as your admin team allows during peak hours. Thank you once again for watching our Cloud Development 101 series. We hope everyone has learned a little, or a lot, about CDEs and how they can help any large dev shop enhance DevX in a manner that is secure, stable, and scalable. Thanks for checking out this video. If you have any suggestions, please leave us a comment below. Also, have a look at coder.com for an overview of Coder's enterprise-ready CDE, and check out our GitHub page, github.com/coder, to stay up to date with our projects, roadmap, and latest releases.